Welcome back. Congratulatory motion for Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar turned out to be more of comparison between Lakshmikant Parsekar and Manohar Parrikar. Some praised him, some criticized him. Some of the MLAs congratulated him and thanked him for making them part of his government, whereas some independent candidates reiterated his alleged U-turn and dominating attitude.
सरकाराक विनंती करता की परत ह्या वयल्या लेवलाक पावल्ल्या रक्षा मंत्र्याक गोंयान हाडून तेजो डिवॅल्यू करचो न्ही. तशें मुख्यमंत्र्याचें अभिनंदन करता. म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें तांचें की आर्थीक परिस्थिती राज्याची कशी आहा ती त्यांनी स्पश्टपणे मांडली. आपणाक सगळें कळटा, बाकीच्यांची बुद्धी आसा ती धोपरान, अशें ते वागना. केन्ना शक्य ना अशी आश्वासनां दिवन यू टर्न घेवन सारवासारव करपाची परंपरा तुम्ही मोडल्या.
जे तोंड पळोवन, जे मनोहर पर्रीकाराचें तोंड पळोवन जे बीजेपी सरकाराक ताच्या नेतृत्वा सकयल फूल मॅन्डेट मेळिल्ली ते फुडें कशें वतलें काय म्हणून. इट्स अ बीग चॅलेंज टू द प्रेझेंट CM with the financial crunch that we are facing today to keep up the proper administration, take action on what is happening around and initiate action on the promises made by his predecessor.
It is known that he is there in Goa every Saturday, and it is also clear that he guides the ruling party. So much so that there is a talk of weekend governance. In this house, he called the Navy and the Defence Ministry as the biggest land grabbers in Goa. Now that he is in charge of this department, I think he has an ample opportunity to change this image. Just because he was known for his U-turns, the present government should not continue this policy. The Raksha Mantri should be more available as Defence Minister to all those who need him.
Speaker sir, जोर तर आमी 100 आमदार from the minority community जो तर आज भारतीय जनता पार्टीन प्रवेश घेवन आमी आमदार जाल्या, जो हांव full credit बाब मनोहर पर्रीकाराक दिता. Do not forget Goa by only coming here and making your trips and guiding your people, but also give us more funds. Let funds be more forthcoming. Let Goa be looked upon differently because we missed 2 plan periods. That gap has to be filled.
म्हाका एक संधी मेळ्ळी, ताका एलिवेट केलो. पारेकाराक दिल्ली पावयलो, ताचे कुर्सेचेर पार्सेकाराक बसयलो. पार्सेकार मुखेलमंत्री जालो आनी पार्सेकाराक कुर्सी म्हाका दिली.
The sitting arrangement of Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat was changed due to his assembly session. Speaker says that the change was made after request from the unattached MLA. Babush and Congress both had addressed a letter to the Speaker that Babush has been expelled from the party.
The seating arrangement on the first day of budget session saw many changes. The most noticeable one was of Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat. He was seen sitting on the last chair in the House. Babush and Congress both had addressed a letter to the Speaker that Babush has been expelled from the party.
काँग्रेसी कडल्यान म्हाका तशें एक पत्र आयलें. CLPन आनी काँग्रेस पार्टीन डिसिजन घेतला की हाका बाबूश मोन्सेरात तांकां पार्टींतल्यान काडून उडोवचें म्हणून, आनी तुमकां आमी कळयतात. ताज्या नंतर रोखडेंच फाटोफाट तनन्सियो मोन्सेरात हांचें पत्र आयलें. म्हाका काँग्रेस पार्टींतल्यान काडून उडयल्लें आसा अशें पत्र ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा. ताजी ताणें ताका कॉपी बी लायली. तेन्ना म्हजी योग्य ती सिटींग अरेंजमेंट करची. त्या प्रमाणे आमी तांची सिटींग अरेंजमेंट वेगळी केल्ली आसा. आमची बसपाची वेवस्थेचो जो चार्ट आसा ताजेर आमी 8च काँग्रेसवाले दाखयल्ले आसात.
When questioned Senior Rani, this is how he reacted.
पार्टीने कळवलेलं आहे, त्यांना कळवलेलं आहे. म्हणजे आता काँग्रेस पार्टीचे फक्त 8च आमदार विधानसभेत आहेत.
The Congress on March 12th had expelled its Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat from the party for a period of 6 years. This means Monserrat remains as an unattached MLA in the Goa Legislative Assembly without any curbs on his rights as a legislator. Meanwhile, New Panji MLA Siddharth Kunkalkar replaced Manohar Parrikar in the Assembly. Laukik Shilkar and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.